Emma loves summer. Every year she goes to the beach with her family. They enjoy the sun, sand, and sea together. Emma loves swimming and building sandcastles. One sunny morning, Emma arrives at the beach with her parents. They find a nice place near the water. Emma sees a girl playing nearby. She looks friendly. "Hello," Emma says shyly. "I'm Emma." "Hi, Emma," the girl smiles. "My name is Lucy. Do you want to play together?" Emma nods happily. They start building a big sandcastle. Emma and Lucy laugh and talk. They become friends quickly. At lunchtime, Emma's mother calls her. "Emma, come eat." "Can Lucy eat with us?" Emma asks. "Of course." Her mother smiles warmly. Lucy joins Emma's family. They eat sandwiches and fruit. Emma feels very happy. She enjoys sharing her day with Lucy. After lunch, Emma and Lucy swim together. The water feels cool and nice. They play games and splash in the waves. Emma feels joyful. Later, Emma and Lucy collect seashells. Emma finds a beautiful shell and gives it to Lucy. "Thank you, Emma," Lucy says kindly. "I will keep it forever." In the evening, it is time to go home. Emma feels sad to say goodbye. "Will you come again tomorrow?" Emma asks hopefully. "Yes," Lucy smiles. "Let's meet here again." Emma feels happy again. "I can't wait." On the way home, Emma tells her parents, "Today was the best day ever." Her mother smiles. "Because you made a new friend." Emma nods happily. "Yes, Lucy is wonderful." That night, Emma thinks about the beach. She knows friendship, like summer days, is warm and joyful. She falls asleep smiling, excited to see Lucy again tomorrow.